Good morning, everyone. Today, let us learn how to write an article. But before we learn how to write it, let us understand what is article writing. An article is a written composition about a particular topic or subject which is published in a magazine, journal, or newspaper. And what is the purpose of writing an article? The purpose of writing an article is to express views and arguments on issues of social interests. So, in the society, there are many issues that prevail, and we have our own opinions. We do argue on some of the problems also. So, article writing is done to express the views and arguments on those topics of social interest. Now, there is a particular format to write an article. So, let us have a look at the format. First, we write the heading, and our heading should be eye catching and it should convey the central theme. Eye catching means it should grab the attention of the reader, and the heading should convey what you are going to talk about in your article. Exactly in the next line below the heading, we write the name of the person who has written the article. That is called byline. Byline is the name of the person who has written that article. After that, in the very beginning, 2 3 lines, we introduce the topic. We state what the article is about, what we are going to talk about in this article. And in the next paragraph, we develop a cause and effect relationship. As it is a problem prevailing in the society, it will have some reasons and it will have some effects on the society. So, in this paragraph, we will develop that cause and effect relationship. And in the same paragraph, we can use various facts. If we have information about particular facts related to that particular topic, we can use that information in this paragraph, and we can give examples to support our ideas. What we are talking about, we can give examples to support that. And then finally is the concluding paragraph. In the conclusion, we never introduce any new idea. We just sum up all the ideas what we have discussed in our writing. We consolidate all those ideas, and we offer suggestions and measures to improve the situation. In the same paragraph, in concluding paragraph, we offer the suggestions and measures to improve the situation. If it is a problem, there are reasons, there are effects, then there might be solutions also. In the last paragraph, we do that, and those suggestions can be for people and for government as well. This is how we write an article. So let us have a look at an example. This is the format of writing an article. First, we write heading, then byline. We introduce the topic, causes, what are the results of the problem, and then the suggestions for dealing with the problem. But there are a few things which we need to keep in mind while we write an article. Article is always written in a third person. We do not use personal pronouns like I or we while writing an article. It is always written in third person. Next, the article is written in a formal tone. It is a formal writing. Third point is use simple and short sentences just to avoid grammatical errors or spelling mistakes. Last point is quite important. Do not exceed the given word limit. Whatever the word limit is given to you, you should follow that limit. There is one more reason for that, because when you participate in competitive exams or in any competition, if you exceed the word limit, you are disqualified. So, with this, with a wonderful quote, read 1,000 books and your words will flow like a river. I end today's class. Thank you and enjoy your day.